Shopkins! Yeah! Hi friends, look! It's another giant egg, but this time it's Shopkins! And it's full of all sorts of Shopkins surprises! Yeah! Shopkins! 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 I'm super excited and can't wait to see what Shopkins surprises are in this egg. Let's open this giant egg to see what Shopkins surprises are inside. Open the door. Wow! Let's take a look at this. It's a Shopkins gigantic trolley! And it comes with 2 Shopkins and 2 baskets. Let's look at the back of this trolley. This is the back of the box where the trolley is. Look, this Shopkin Wobbles is covered in all food. That's not what my Wobbles looks like. These are the 2 Shopkins it comes with. And they're the 2 bags. Let's find the next Shopkin surprise! Wow, this is awesome! Look at this, guys! It's a 12-pack of Shopkins, and there's even a Shopkins basket with 2 blind bags in. Look, that one's Bun Bun Slipper, Boohoo Onion. This one's Yummy Gum as well, and I've actually got that one, and I've got that one, but only in orange. That's another one I've got, but now it's in a different colour. This is the back. You can see the little basket sticking out. That's the collection that you can get. Let's open this mystery door and find some more Shopkins. That's the door. Oh my gosh. It's a Shopkins fridge. Yeah. This is my favourite. This is the Shopkin fridge and this is how it works. There's a little cut down there that you can't really see very well. And you can open that little door there and put a Shopkin in it. But they don't come with the Shopkin you're supposed to put in it. But luckily you can do it with any Shopkin. And you just pull the cut backwards and then the Shopkin lands in it. And it shows you right there. And it comes with 2 Shopkins. This one looks like fizzy soda. And there's this egg. These little Shopkin faces that are actually eggs. And if you just turn that little handle, it's actually like a seesaw. You can hang all Shopkins there. And there's 2 baskets and some stickers if you want to put them on. And I'm going to be doing this in my next video because I absolutely love it. Let's find out what Shopkins surprises I'll get next. Which one to choose? There's lots of Shopkin baskets and this is one of them and it's actually open. Have it. Oh, amazing! Look guys, it's more Shopkins. These are what I just got out of the egg. This is season 1 Shopkins. And there's even a mystery blind bag underneath it. And I've got this vending machine Shopkins and it comes with 2 Shopkins. And it's just a normal tin but with pictures of all sorts of Shopkins. Just open the lid, then you can get the Shopkins out. I'm going to open one Shopkins basket. And I'm going to be opening these in my upcoming video. let's carry on opening the Shopkins basket. Wow. Let's open these blind bags. I knew it! I've seen this one in a video today. Look! Here she is, Sweeps, and she's a ultra rare, guys. I thought she was an ultra rare anyway, because all the ultra rare I've got has all like glitter on it. But this one's really pretty. I really like it. Let's open the next blind bag. Whoa! I knew it was this one. I knew it. I could see through the blind bag. I've seen this one in the same video as Sweeps. That's the back. It actually feels pretty lumpy. Here she is. Dippy avocado, and I think I know why it's called that, because it's an avocado and it's got a spoon where you can dip it in, and it's a common. Anyway guys, about Sweeps, it's another ultra rare to my collection, and you guys know I love ultra rares. Okay guys, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed my amazing Shopkins egg. And can you please like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and in my next future videos I'm going to be opening all these. Anyway guys, I've actually got this Shopkins.